Washing machine programs explained. Washing machines can be a little overwhelming with all their knobs, buttons and dials. Don't worry though, keep watching as we're going to explain the main types of washing program. Synthetics and cottons. Many modern washing machines have separate programs for washing cottons and synthetics. Cotton programs are hotter, while synthetic programs typically run at a lower temperature and have slower spin cycles. Almost all washing machines have a cotton program, but not all have a synthetic one. Wool, delicate and hand wash. Like with the synthetic cycles, these are typically lower temperature and lower rotation cycles to protect garments from damage. If you need to wash a lot of wool or silk garments, these cycles may be worthwhile. Always check the garment's care label first though, as some clothes should never be machine washed. Sport. If you have a particularly active family, you may benefit from using a dedicated sport program. These cycles are specifically designed to deal with microfiber sports clothing whilst removing sweat, stains and odours. These cycles often take longer, but they use lower temperatures to avoid damaging the materials. Quick wash. Quick wash cycles can be an absolute lifesaver on a Sunday night when you've forgotten to do the school trousers. Many modern washing machines may have a quick wash program which can take just 15 minutes. Temperature programs. All washing machines have some form of temperature program, but exactly how they work varies from machine to machine. Some machines may have a simple dial to choose between 30 degrees C and 40 degrees C or 60 degrees C for example, whilst others may combine the temperature with other options such as a 60 degrees C cotton or a 30 degree synthetics. Anti-Crease. Anti-Crease programs are sometimes also known as pre-ironing or easy iron cycles depending on the washing machine brand. This program is designed to stop creasing forming, typically by lowering the speed or length of the spin cycle. Some machines may have a dedicated anti-crease program, or it may be a button that alters the other programs. Baby care. Baby care cycles are usually intensive programs, often at high temperatures with several rinse cycles to make sure as much of the detergent is washed out as possible. If your washing machine doesn't have such a cycle, one alternative is to manually set a high temperature and add an extra rinse cycle if there are still traces of detergent left. Anti-Allergy. Anti-allergy cycles are designed to remove allergens from your laundry, usually with high water temperature or using the steam function if the machine has one. Eco. As suggested by the name, Eco programs should be more efficient. How the Eco program works will vary by brand. Some manufacturers offer a choice of Eco functions for different loads, or even just a setting that adapts other programs to reduce energy use. That's it. We hope you've learnt something from this overview of washing machine programs. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more laundry and cleaning tips.